A lot of star. Hello, Mr. No, not Mr. Rabbit. It's Mr. Carrot. Hello, Mr. Carrot. Good morning.
Good morning.
How about Mr. Bones? Where is Mr. Bones and Mr. Ducky? Okay, so how are you today, everyone? How are you today, Kai and Rick? How are you today?
Happy.
Happy? Show me your smile. Smile. Okay, so what did you do today, baby Kai?
Hi. Hi.
Okay, what did you do today? What did you do this morning? Did you play with your friends today? Or maybe you just stayed at home?
Play football.
Oh, you played football. So how was the game, baby?
No one win.
No
It's
one
tied.
win? It's a tie. All right, that's okay. It's part of the game that not everyone will win every day. So thank you so much for your thank you so much for sharing me that one. So are you guys ready to start with our class? Where's baby Kai?
I don't know.
Where oh I can see Kai here. I can just see the I don't know what is that. Where is baby Kai?
I don't know.
Oh, he's not there with you?
I don't know.
Why you don't know? Are you not in the same house?
Yeah, I know.
Oh. Okay, so are you guys ready to start with our class today? Or let's just wait
Yeah.
for Kai for a while. Can you call Kai? Is she doing something? Is he doing something or no?
And doing something.
Okay. Okay, so let's start with our lesson, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I will be sharing you my screen and then we are going to talk about okay, wait. I cannot. Okay, just wait. What's that? Is that a food?
Yeah.
What
Food,
food is
food,
that?
food. Um, it's a kind
What?
of
It's a
something.
okay. Is it delicious? How will you describe the taste of that food? Can you describe it, baby Kai?
Hi.
Hi. Okay, can you describe the food? Is it is it salty? Is it sour? Is it sweet? So how do you describe the food that you are eating right now? Okay, so can you see my screen, everyone? Okay, can you see my screen right now?
Đủ
Hello?
đấy. Mày à này. Đưa ra điểm chịu luôn ạ.
Hello?
Hello. Yes.
Oh, I thought you were gone. Okay, so now we are going to have the listening. Think what food and drink do you like on a picnic? But first, before that, teacher will be asking you some questions, okay? So for
Oh,
you, baby Kai, if you are going to go to a picnic, what food and drinks do you like to have?
one, two, have.
What?
I want to have
Aside from the one in the picture, aside from the in the one aside from the picture, baby, aside from this, I need you to think another food. So what do you want to have if you are going to go to a picnic?
and juice.
Okay, wait. Let me type it for you. What was that?
Chocolate juice.
Chocolate?
Juice.
Chocolate juice or chocolate and juice?
Chocolate and juice.
Why chocolate and juice? How about some food? Like, let's say some cookies, something like that. Okay, how about you, baby Rick? What kind of food do you like to have if you are going to go to a picnic?
Chocolate cookies and juice.
Chocolate cookies and juice. All right, okay. So now, teacher will be playing some audio. So I want you to listen very carefully, okay? Listen, what drinks do they have for their picnic?
Page 122. Communicate. Listening. C. What drinks do they have for their picnic?
Let's see. What do we need for the picnic?
I want chips. I want chips too. And we need sandwiches. Yes, you're right. And we need juice too. We need soda.
No, Emily, we don't need soda.
Okay, we don't need soda, but I want soda.
Okay then. How about fruit? You kids need fruit.
Let's have grapes. We all like grapes. Good, we have fruit. Now, how about cookies? We want cookies. Yes, cookies, please.
Okay, let's have cookies. And now, let's go on our picnic.
Yay! We love picnics.
Okay, so first, baby Kai, how about some fruit? What fruit do you like to have during your picnic? Okay, what fruit? Oh, watermelon.
Orange.
Banana, orange,
Orange,
That's all.
apple, grape.
and apple grapes. Okay, how about you, baby Rick? What do you want to have or what fruit do you like to have during your picnic?
One, grape,
Grapes,
banana,
banana,
and strawberry.
strawberry. That's all?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much. So now, listen again, write N if they need it, write W if they want it. Okay. So now, baby Kai, I want you. Okay, just wait. Okay, baby Kai, I want you to answer. I want you to answer this one below. Okay. Once again, baby Kai, I want you to answer. Okay, wait. This one right here. Then baby Rick will be the upper part, okay? Amin na cellphone dong, be. Okay? So you are just going to listen. You're just going to listen and you need to write N if they need it, F, W if they want it, okay? Ang binang minifan dong, be. Alright, are you guys ready? Tambal sa ni baby dong, be. Katong naikuan-kuan.
D. Listen again and write N
Ang
if they
naipinpin.
need it and W if they want it.
Let's see. What do we
Ah,
need
Nicole
for the
Ma.
picnic?
I want chips. I want chips too. And we need sandwiches. Yes, you're right. And we need juice too. We need soda.
Abledan.
No, Emily, we don't need soda.
Okay, we don't need soda, but I
We
want
don't
soda.
need soda.
Okay then. How about fruit? You kids need fruit.
Let's have grapes. We all like grapes. Good, we have
Ah, diha
fruit.
sa ref.
Now, how about
Pink.
cookies?
Wait
We
lang.
want cookies. Yes, cookies, please.
Okay, let's have cookies. And now, let's go on our picnic.
Yay! We love picnics.
Okay, so how about you, Baby Rick? Please finish your answer, okay?
D. Listen again and write N if they need it and W if they want it.
Let's see. What do we need for the picnic?
I want chips. I want chips too. And we need sandwiches. Yes, you're right. And we need juice too. We need soda.
No, Emily, we don't need soda.
Okay, we don't need soda, but I want soda.
Okay then. How about fruit? You kids need fruit.
Let's have grapes. We all like grapes. Good, we have fruit. Now, how about cookies? We want cookies. Yes, cookies, please.
Okay, let's have cookies. And now, let's go on our picnic.
Yay! We love picnics.
All right. Okay, so now, how about you, Baby Kai and Baby Rick? Do you like soda?
No.
No? Why no?
Because
Why
it's
no,
yucky.
baby? Oh, how about chips? Do you like chips?
What?
Chips.
Yes.
Why do you like chips?
Because it's like
It's like, okay, so now which one do you like the most? Cookies or chips?
wait.
Which one do you
like-
like the most?
Oopsie.
Oopsie.
This. This.
Uh-huh.
This. And this.
All right. Okay. Very good. So now let's have a look with this one. So first we have the speaking. Imagine you and your partner have a picnic. What do you want and what do you need?
Page 123. Communicate.
Dong, tubig
Speaking.
palihog.
E. What do you want and need to take?
What ako,
Use the
ah?
words in the box to help.
We want soda. Yes, we want soda. And we want chips. We need fruit. And we need water.
Okay, so how about you, Baby Kai? Can you list down what do you want? And Baby Rick as well, I need you to list down on what do you want during your picnic. Aside from the grapes, aside from the cookies, like all the things and all the food that you need during the entire picnic, okay? Okay. Oh, by the way, where is your assignment?
Forgot it.
You forgot? All right, that's okay. You can just submit it that one by tomorrow again, okay?
Messi and Ronaldo.
Messi, Ronaldo. Kuya, who is Messi, Ronaldo? Is it from the football team?
Yes. Yes.
Butan ito. Oh, why did you write the name Ronaldo? You need Ronaldo on your picnic? Oh.
Messi.
Oh, and also Messi. Okay, so first, baby, writing study, learn nouns and verb. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or a thing. A verb is an action. In a sentence, there is a noun on a verb. So, for example, Noun is farmer. Verb is grow. Noun is a food. So farmers grow food. So now, baby Kai, I want you to answer 2 and 3. Baby Rick, I want you to answer 3 and 4. 4 and 5, okay?
Okay.
I just need you to circle the nouns and underline the verb. All right, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, and you can start now. Okay, again, circle the nouns, underline the verb. Okay, circle the nouns, underline the verb.
Um, 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 and now it's easy.
Uh-huh. Okay, how about you, baby Kai? Are you done?
Finish.
Okay, how about you, baby Kai?
Sorry.
Okay, where is your answer? Baby Kai. All right, all done?
Yes.
Okay, are you sure with your answer? Is that final? Final? Okay,
Finish.
so number 2 is correct. The nouns is police officer and also the people. Then the verb to underline is help. So number 2 is correct. Number 3, nouns to circle is Mijun and juice, while the drinks is the verb. Number 4, nouns to circle are the girl and the game, and the underline is the place. And number 5, we have neck and home. Underline the circle, underline the verb, which is run. Very good! Good job! High five! High five! Okay, very good, everyone. High five, high five, high five, high five, high five. High five! Okay, thank you so much. Nagawas na lang ba? So now, let's have this. Okay, we have the wrap up. So teacher will be playing a audio, baby. I want you to listen very carefully as this will be a listen and read along story, okay?
Page
I can see the
124.
word.
Wrap up.
What, baby?
A.
The word.
What?
I can't see the word.
You cannot see?
Yes.
How about that?
Yes. Now I can see.
Okay.
Oh,
Wrap up.
now I can see again.
Listen and
Stop
read.
sharing your screen so that you can see the board. Okay. All right. So once again, teacher will
Page
be playing
124.
audio.
Wrap up. A. Listen and read along. Layla has stickers. Gus has pins.
Oh, I want your stickers.
I want your pins. Let's trade. I give you my stickers. You give me your pins.
Layla wants Gus's cookies. Gus wants Layla's chips. They trade.
Yum! Cookies!
Yum! Chips!
Gus wants Layla's game. Layla wants Gus's goldfish, Boo. They trade again.
Your game is fun.
Your goldfish, Boo, is great! Don't do it!
Gus likes the game, but he's sad.
Are you okay, Gus?
No, I'm not.
Gus goes to the doctor.
He's healthy, but he's lonely.
He needs Boo.
Gus and Layla trade again. Gus has Boo, and
You think
Layla
that
has the
milk
game. Everyone's happy.
Okay, you drink it.
Hooray!
All right. Okay, so now, baby Kai, I want you to read the first one. I want you to read Kai here. Okay, wait. Let me change my cursor. I want you to read here, baby Kai, the three. Did it? Okay. And baby Rick, I need you to continue after baby Kai, okay? Are you ready, baby Kai? Okay, and you can start now. Just read until the three story, okay? And baby Rick will continue, okay?
Has stickers. Gus has pins. Oh, I want your sticker. I want your pins. Let's trade. I give you my sticker. You give me your pin. Layla wants Gus cookies. Gus wants Layla's cookies. Chip. They trade. Yum cookies. Yum chips.
All
Gus
right.
wants Layla's wants Gus goldfish. Ooh. They trade again. Your game is fun. Your goldfish food is great. Don't do it. Are you just like the game, but he's sad. Are you okay, Gus? No, I'm not.
All right. Okay, so now we have here the topic about the stickers, the trading, the cookies, the ships, the game, the goldfish. So we have a lot of discussions right here.
Gus and then try trade again. Gus has food and Layla has the game.
Yes.
And we have happy. Everyone happy. Happy. Hooray!
All right. Okay, so now how about this one? Project need and want survey. But we don't have much enough time. I will be giving you this one as an assignment, okay? So what you're going to do is I need you to ask some random people, baby Kai and baby Rick, on what are their needs and what are their wants, okay? So you are going to ask them. You're going to ask at least 5 people or 5 people that you know if what do they want and what do they need, okay? Okay, baby Kai and baby Rick. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, once again, you just need to ask at least 5 random people on what do they want or what do they need. Okay, babies?
Okay.
All right, so for today, thank you so much. Goodbye and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.